Hi everyone, this is Smita from Exhibition Showcase, and I'm glad to tell you all that I'm here at JW Marriott, Aerocity, New Delhi to witness the two-day event that is the 13th CIC organized by India Conventions Promotion Bureau.
Hi everyone, this is Asim representing Exhibition Showcase Majors. Today we will talk to a lot of participants which are the key leaders of this industry, that how do they see this industry, this physical event, and also to the venue organizing team, that what safety measures they have taken to make this show successful.
Hi, my name is Amresh Tiwari. I am a Vice Chairman ICPB and the Chairman for this CIC 2020. ICPB is doing this is 13th convention which we are doing, and first time in the history we are doing the hybrid conference, which is live from the Delhi, Greater Noida and Bangalore. It was supposed to live from Mumbai as well. Unfortunately, we had certain issues, regulation issues. But 3 places live plus virtually as well. So last count was more than 1,200 people registered virtually, and physically also 100 people from Noida, 50 from here, and other 50 from the Bangalore. So this time the topics which we had taken are very relevant to the coming days. So post-COVID, how the contracting, the negotiation, the rules, safety, hygiene matters. Most of the topic related to that, and we are discussing and deliberating. I think you have gone through all the topics, and these are very beautiful delivered. And so there is involvement of the government as well as the private sectors. Next session which we are having, the ICA session, where the participants are from the Japan, from the Netherlands, from Paris, and from the Malaysia. So sessions are beautifully crafted and created. I hope everybody enjoy this thing. And if after this, ICPB is planning another event maybe before March for the domestic MICE. So we are working out the modalities, if work out, so we'll announce very soon. Thank you very much.
I'm Girish Kawatra. I'm the co-chair to 13th edition of CIC, being hosted at JW Marriott, Aerocity, Delhi. I'm also the honorary secretary of ICBP. I think with this 13th edition of CIC, we have given a new path to the whole MICE industry. There are 2 ways of looking at it. One is that we have given a message to the stakeholders that we are open now in the safe manner. Let's open, or rather reopen, the MICE industry. Also through the innovative means of connecting the whole country through the hub hybrid sessions. Some session is happening at Greater Noida, some is at Bangalore, and live transmit there. So we've given a new idea, new innovative tool to the MICE fraternity. I'm sure with this 2-day session, people will gain a lot. They will not only reopen the MICE, but they will also get new innovative ideas to execute their future MICE events. So with this, I'm very confident that ICBP, as a torchbearer, as a nodal agency of MICE in India, has done justice to the whole MICE industry. Thank you.
I'm Chandan Mansharamani, and past vice chairman of ICPB. We were deliberating in ICPB. Yes, we thought maybe holding this event like this, hybrid event, would create a big confidence into our convention industry, and the associations also who have been doing, who have been waiting for some kind of a confidence level to do their events. So I think the message has gone across. We as ALPCOD has done one event here itself 15 days back. This was in a hybrid event, and where we had around 97 participants. We did an award function also here, along with the conference here, inauguration, the keynote speakers were there. And an advantage was this event, we normally do it with around 900 people. And that hybrid event, with the advantage was that we could go across the world and have participants from all across the world. More than 3,500 participants were there. So that is a big advantage holding this hybrid event, where you can have the event with your physical presence here, those who are kind of keen in coming in and to attend the event. Plus then advantages to open maybe as many as you can within that industry kind of.
What's happening is I have the privilege to be the founding member of ICBB, and is 5 times vice chair. And I feel, first of all, my congratulations to the current team that who took it, who became brave enough to start this event. It's a very, very positive step. Second thing is that it is a future now. You must have heard the keynote speaker who just said that the future is hybrid now. Hybrid means it will be virtual as well as physical going simultaneously together. Those who can come, they can be here. Those who can't come, they'll see virtually. You see, one big advantage is speaker like him today, keynote speaker, was fortunately is not living in here. He's living somewhere else, say 1,000 miles away, and he was there to give us a nice talk. So this is one thing. Yes, it is going to be a huge problem for us, those who are used to physical joining, because we will not be staying in the hotels, we will not be using A, B, C, D things, but then we have to learn. It's also possible that now the exhibition industry may have many more people to participate because of virtual. And I think it's going to have an enhanced education. We have no choice but to accept it. The faster you accept, the better it is for us in the industry. It's absolutely important. And I'm very confident that in 2 years' time, we'll all know how to do it, and we'll make more money than we made before. That's what I can tell you. Because we
Hi, I'm Neeraj Dhawan, Governing Board Member of ICPB as well as Director at Falcon Exhibitions Private Limited. It has been quite nice to come to an event after so many time. It's starting, I would say, for ICPB as well as for the exhibition industry and for the conference industry to start a conversation, to start looking at events, to start looking at physical venues, obviously keeping the social distance in mind. And that is what we have today also seen, that the hotel has kept all the social distancing in place. There have been regular checks, there have been regular sanitization, and there will be regular cleaning as well. See, the world going forward will be a hybrid world. There will be obviously a physical exhibition and with a hybrid component. People who are not willing to come for the exhibition, people who are not willing to come for the conference, they would ask for a hybrid platform. So I would think going forward, physical events will be back in some point of time, but it will always be hybrid. It will always have a digital format, always along with the physical format.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Sunil. I'm attending this event as a hosted buyer, as a corporate. ICP. Congratulations to ICPB for organizing this event, which is a kickstart to the current scenario. COVID has, of course, taken a lot of things away from us, which ICPB is trying to get back, and it's a wonderful start. As far as the event goes, the venue is amazing. The people, the organizing team is full of enthusiasm and hard work, and I wish them a great success. Thank you.
Well, I am Tarun Kumar Amla, Secretary, International Road Federation India Chapter, and we are basically looking into the road safety aspects, promoting awareness about road safety in the country as well as globally. And this was basically being done through organizing conferences, exhibitions, etc. But because of this COVID, these activities were almost stalled for about 6 months because of the fear of coming closeness, and that's why I feel this organization of this event today by this ICPB will give us impetus to this industry to come forward and educate that in this COVID era also we can organize conferences safely to share our knowledge, experience in different fields, because that's very essential for communicating to the various stakeholders in all the sectors.